Alright, here we are. It's almost April. I think around March 26th. Look at the berm here. Just got at the top of the hill off a dipper. Look at that. It's about 20 feet high. It's supposed to be sunny today, but as you can see, it's not sunny. There used to be a trail sign over here. It was 15 feet high. There's no trail sign. The snow up here is just incredible. The depth. We got a little powder today. I would say flat light at best. So the forecast said snowy. It's just this kind of year. This powder's pretty good. Face is getting a little cold. All right, that was nice stuff.